Alright, so this is problem number 5 for the extra credit of exam 2, and it is problem number 5 also in exam 2. And it reads as follows. The reaction to A yields B is second order with a rate constant of 51 moles times minute at 24 degrees Celsius. Starting with the initial concentration of A of 8.50 times 10 to the negative 3 molars, how long will it take for the final concentration of A to equal 3.50 times 10 to the negative 3 molars? And then, before anything, in order to solve this, we have to see the information that they gave us. What did they give us? They told us that 2A yields B is second order. So right there is already telling us the equation that we need. So the only thing we have to remember is that the concentration time equation for second order is 1 over concentration of the final A equal to K constant times time plus 1 over the concentration of A initial. And now all we have to do is, with the information that they give us, just plug it all in to solve for T. Oops. And so they tell us that our rate constant, our K, is equal to 51.0 moles times minutes. And then they tell us that final concentration is 3.50 times 10 to the negative 3 moles over 1, which is equal to our rate constant, which is 51 moles per minute, moles times minutes, I guess. And then they don't give us a time, that's what we're trying to solve for. And our initial concentration for A is 8.50 times 10 to the negative 3 moles. Alright, so now all that's left to do is solve for T. And all we have to do is, sorry about that, 1 divided by 3.50 times 10 to the negative 3 is about 285.71 about. And then our 51 stays there, times our T, plus 1 divided by 8.50 times to the negative 3 is about 117.65. And now we subtract the 117 because we're trying to get T on its own. So we have to move this over by subtracting it. And then 285 minus 117 is approximately 168.07. Alright, so same thing, we just subtract 117.65 from one side, well, from both sides, in order to have T by our own. And here I just rewrote everything to make it neater. And now we're still trying to get T on our own, so we're going to divide by 51. And then our time is equal to 168 divided by 51, which is approximately 3.295, which is around 3.30 minutes. And that is, closest one would be B, 3.20. Ooh, or would it be none of the above? I picked 3.20, but it might be none of the above. We never got the answer, so I'm not exactly sure. Thank you.